There was an era that professions were finding its way and HR needed to find its way to the boardroom.
HRP was formed to bridge the gap between the HR as a function and also the business in general.
Because at that time it was seen as personnel management. We felt that no, it is HR and HR has to be seen in a different light.
Professionally, we needed to grow, and therefore the requirement for a professional body.
So this is a crowd that met in a classroom at Postgraduate Institute of Management who thought about it, and that is how it started.
We have organized number of events, taken numerous initiatives to uplift the level of HR.
Today, I think almost every organization has the HR function recognized.
15 years down the line, when we look at HRP, we can be happy that some of our members have been able to create that love and feel towards the profession in the mind of the CEO.
HRP has since its inception focused on offering something out of the ordinary. So the HRM Awards, the IPMA certification, the Colombo University project, a networking forum for the corporate HR fraternity. These were some years back not quite common.
And in addition to that, we've brought in professionalism through various professional bodies of IPMA HR, SHRM, where we are bringing technical know-how of HR, which is global.
The biggest achievement is the recognition we got for the HR profession and the fact that we sustained these awards for last 15 years period.
By bringing about this competition, we got companies to review and think about their HR processes.
Now, this is not a competition to just distribute a set of awards, but it goes into an in-depth audit of your HR processes and practices. So, the whole story is about benchmarking, standardizing and institutionalizing what you do and try to do it in a bigger and better way the next time around.
In 2007, we partnered with the largest HR consulting firm in the world, Aon Hewitt Associates, working closely with us on our initiatives and in particular on the HRM Awards. That helped us a lot to uplift the standards.
This is how HRP has continued to offer and add value to the community it serves.
It is important that HR people are masters of HR, not just jack of all trades.
Going forward, we have to focus on the needs of the young professionals and develop professional qualification acceptable in international standards.
For the journey ahead, HRP has looked at content-based education in several different forms. So, a globally accredited certification, co-branded master courses, virtual learning platforms to entice and engage the millennials are in the HRP agenda to contribute and nurture the budding HR professionals, and this will pave the way into a very long journey in the years ahead.